Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. And Bitcoin again is making a squeeze with the EMAs here. You can see that the 10 and the 20 was pretty much lost and you've come down. But I think in most cases, in a lot of cases, when you start to lose the 10 and 20 like this, it's just a matter of time that you start to lose the 55 EMA as well. Now there is one little bit of a thing that is bullish for Bitcoin, and that is the 4-hour time frame divergence here. So you can see, if I zoom in there, you have Bitcoin RSI moving to the upside, and you're also holding this trend line. But right, I want to give you a very quick warning that Bitcoin is soon enough, in the next 4 days, we're going to see Bitcoin making the next volatile move. And you have this one rejection right there, we got another rejection right here, we got another rejection right over there. So all you're doing is you are consolidating between this upper resistance and the lower support right there. And then on 6th January, that's the maximum time to wait to see what Bitcoin does. Now let's say Bitcoin does break above here, we could actually see a nice good pump to $102,000 before moving down. Okay, and I'm going to tell you why we're going to move down from here after touching 102,000. So let's say what you did is go down and break and retest, then you move up. Okay, so that's one bullish scenario, and the divergence actually plays out. But you could also do something where you break down, touch $90,000, retest this trend line, and fall. And all this pattern here has a technical target for Bitcoin to $77,000 in the future. So be very careful. Four more extra days for us to see what happens, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.